Grandma Loves Me, 1, 2, 3. Written by Laura Gates Galvan. Illustrated by Gil Gully. 1. Big hug and kisses, and a bounce on Grandma's knee. 2. Cozy socks made with love, just for me. 3. Special gifts from Grandma's purple purse. 4. Song sung, Grandma knows every verse. 5. Books read in our favorite chair. 6. Dance steps danced with lots of flair. 7. Colorful drawings, Grandma teaches me the arts. 8. Cookies baked in the shape of pretty hearts. 9. Flowers picked and put into a vase. 10. Goodnight kisses all over my little face. The end.